2018 Leaf Greatest Hits Basketball personal box break for CJ Palman. Good luck, CJ. Just did a football one. Let me see if we can get this. Basketball one to be just as good or better. All right. Wow, dude. How about your Valiant is an auto? That's a pretty good start. So your bonus card is an auto of LiAngelo Ball. He's probably better than Lonzo. And it's numbered to 15. 12 of 15 purple. LiAngelo Ball auto. 12 of 15. Not a bad start there. I know he sells. Pretty cool. Two good Leaf Valiant cards. You got Darnold and that one's auto. All right, your first hit. Jersey auto at a 49. That's Kyrie Irving. Not too shabby, Kyrie Irving. That's from National Treasures, 2013-14. 13-14 NT Game Gear Signatures. On-card auto, 23 of 49. With the jersey for the Cavs, Kyrie Irving. From 13-14 NT. Let's keep it rolling. Wow, that's funny that I mentioned this because there he is. Prism, Lonzo Ball for the Lakers. That is 2017-18 Prism Basketball, non-numbered auto for the Lakers, Lonzo Ball. That's crazy that they have them both in there. Lonzo and LiAngelo autos for you. What we got here? This is card number 3. Ooh, it's the Greek Freak Prism rookie. 13. What's his base rookie gem go for? 13-14. The Greek Freak Prism. BGS gem at 9.5. Centering got a 9. Edges 10. Corners and surface 9.5. Base rookie of the Greek Freak. He's amazing, but I don't know. That's not like a silver or anything. It's just a base Prism. Let me know what that goes for. I have no idea. Pretty cool. Alonzo, I think, is a rookie, 17-18. Oh, no. Did you see that? Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Well, you're going to see it now. 17-18 Hoops, Hot Signatures, BGS Mint 9, Steph Curry auto. Steph Curry auto with a Beckett 9 auto. And a Beckett 9 BGS Mint 9 on the card. Steph Curry for the Warriors. Hot Signatures from 17-18 Hoops. BGS Mint 9 Steph Curry. To go with the Greek Freak Prism 9.5. Lonzo Ball is a 17-18 Prism auto. Kyrie is a 13-14 NT Jersey auto out of 49. And then the Leaf Valiant is an auto also out of 15, LiAngelo Ball. Thank you, CJ. I don't know the value on those. I don't know if it was terrible or average or what. Thank you.